Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Roaring Kitty token. Now this token is trending number 4 on DEX Screener right now. Roaring Kitty is the name of the token, Kitty is the ticker symbol. This is a meme coin on the Solana blockchain, doing very well. Big market cap, trending. It's definitely Solana meme coin season, and it's definitely cat coin season as well. So there's tons of cat coins trending these days on DEX Screener and DEX tools. So we're going to go over the Roaring Kitty token and how you can get it, and we're going to look at any possible security issues with the token, see if there's any warning signs, any problems that might lead to potential scam risks or anything like that. We're going to check out all the information on this token in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So right now, in the past 24 hours, this token is up 109,000%, doing insanely well. So if you're interested in getting this token, it is on the Solana blockchain. So first of all, you would need a wallet where you could store Solana tokens. So you can get a Phantom wallet, or you can get a Solflare wallet, and you would fund that wallet with Sol. Go into the dApps, find RAYDIUM, and then using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, kittysol.vip, you would trade your Sol for the Kitty token using that contract address. Now you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the Tokenomics. We'll try to find that in a second here. They have a Telegram you could join at Roaring Kitty Solana that has 1,059 subscribers on there. And on that Telegram, they also have a link to their Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there. You could preview the Telegram channel before joining. Now, if you didn't understand, if you didn't get what I said about how to buy this token, on their webpage, they do have a how to buy step-by-step. They also have a buy now button that will just take you directly to RAYDIUM. So you can find this token on SolScan. It says there's 6 decimal places on this token. There's a current supply of 999,997,559 tokens. And yeah, so they're definitely trending right now. So they're trending number 5 on DEX Screener. And they're not trending on DEX tools that I could see, but they're up 99,000% right now. Very volatile token right now. They have a really big market cap here of over $10 million. So first security thing that I could see that's really great here is that they do have a liquidity lock. So it says they have $327,000 in liquidity on RAYDIUM right now. And there's a lock button, and it says here that 99.99% of the token's liquidity in RAYDIUM is locked, and 99.99% of the liquidity pool is also burnt. So that's great to see here. So it says there's no better cat than the Roaring Kitty. So emerging from the depths of Wall Street bets, one hero rose to conquer the mighty hedge funds. Roaring Kitty was that hero. He came, he saw, he conquered. So Tokenomics, it does say 0% taxes. So if you are going to buy or sell this token from RAYDIUM or Jupiter, you probably will not have to set slippage. Liquidity burned. It started with a total of 1 billion total supply, and by the number I mentioned earlier, you could tell that it's a deflationary token. So they give you the step-by-step how to buy. They have a contact email at the bottom of their webpage, roaringkittysoul@proton.me. And then they have a DEX Tools, DEX Screener, RAYDIUM, Telegram, and Twitter link at the bottom of their webpage, kittysoul.vip. So all the links are there. Now, on their Twitter, at roaring__kitty, I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen there. Now, they have a link to their webpage right on that Twitter there. It says they just joined in March 2024. They have 2,390 followers already, 18 tweets. And in their pinned tweet, they also have their contract address, Telegram, and Twitter. So you can find all the links basically on that Twitter right there. And they have 18 tweets. If you scroll through, you're going to find a lot of memes, of course, having to do with this cat and... it looks like they do Twitter Spaces as well if you're interested in listening to the dev or team members talk about the token. They've done 2 Twitter Spaces that I could see there. And the rest is basically just memes. And yeah, besides that, let's get to the security on this token here. So you can find it on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. As I mentioned, they have that liquidity lock, so that's great. Now, the pool on RAYDIUM was just created within the past 24 hours or so. So that's how brand new this token is. And these tokens just go crazy. Like, just created within the past 24 hours, and they have a $10 million market cap. Like, that's pretty crazy. And they have here a, let's see here, 24-hour trading volume is $31.44 million. They already have 6,650 holders, and the pool was just created within the past 24 hours. Almost 7,000 holders, doing very well. So on DEX Tools, you could find a quick audit by Quick Intel Security. So first of all, their DEX score is 99 out of 99, so that's great. Out of 13 votes, they have a community trust score of 76.9%. And so Quick Intel Security says that contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and it says no other risks. So their quick audit is great. They got a good DEX score. They got to have a good liquidity lock. Keep in mind, it's not a full audit. They also, don't have a full KYC and team doxing on their page and things like that. So their security could be better. There's always risks. So just because their quick audit is perfect doesn't mean that it's a perfectly secure token. So just keep that in mind. And thoroughly do your own research before investing in this token. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.